I've spent years working around high voltage systems in nuclear power plants, and if there is one thing I've learned, it's that the smallest technical details determine whether a machine survives or fails when the pressure is on. Today, we are tearing into a matchup between two heavy hitters in the ductless world, the Gree Sapphire series and the Lennox MWPD High Efficiency series. Both of these fall into the elite ultimate category, but they are built with very different philosophies for the field. Starting with the build, the Gree Sapphire is a tank. It comes standard with a coated coil, which is non-negotiable for me if you are anywhere near the coast or high humidity areas. That coating is the only thing standing between your unit and the white rust that eats aluminum fins for breakfast. Lennox counters with their MWPD series, which utilizes a galvanized steel cabinet with a baked-on powder-coated finish. It's tough, but in the field, I've seen that factory coil coating on the Gree provide that extra layer of nuclear-grade protection that keeps the unit breathing easy for years. Efficiency is where these two really separate from the pack. The Gree Sapphire is an absolute beast, hitting up to 30.5 SEER2 in certain configurations. The Lennox MWPD is no slouch, typically reaching around 25 SEER2. From an electrical standpoint, both units use inverter-driven variable speed compressors. These ramp up like a dimmer switch, which is easier on your home's electrical panel and significantly lowers your monthly utility bill. When we look at the investment, the numbers tell a clear story. For the equipment alone, a Gree Sapphire outdoor condenser typically ranges from $1,100 to $1,800 depending on the tonnage. The Lennox MWPD equipment usually lands in a higher bracket, often retailing between $2,500 and $5,500. For a full professional installation, you should plan for a total all-in price between $2,000 and $4,500 for a single zone Gree, while a Lennox installation often pushes into the $5,000 to $9,000 range. You are paying a premium for the Lennox name and dealer network. Before we crown a winner, let's talk maintenance. Keep the filters clean and it will keep you cool. The warranty battle is a close one. Gree provides a 5-year parts and 7-year compressor warranty. Lennox typically matches this, but often provides a path to a 10-year or even 12-year limited warranty if you register the product through a certified Lennox Elite dealer. The verdict? For the homeowner's bottom line, the Gree Sapphire takes the win. While Lennox has a legendary reputation and a slightly better potential warranty, the Gree Sapphire beats it on raw efficiency with that 30+ SEER2 rating and costs significantly less to get into your home. It's a high-performance machine that pays for itself faster through lower power bills. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on hvacforbeginners.com. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people, but a meal is only the first step towards stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future. Click the link in the description or the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one.